sa amin. So ngayon, we are now forced to create Asian titles. So ano pa yung mga Asian titles? We're covering different areas of Asia. So meron kaming Asia Pacific, Southeast Asia, and whole of Asia. So tulad po rito, Asian Morning Standard, the Asian Sun, Asia Pacific Express, Asia Pacific Telegraph, lahat po ito live na. Actually, buhay na to last year. Pero ngayon lang namin ina-announce na merong ganito. Kasi ang target audience lang talaga nito is international. So meron tayong The Vibe Asia, Touchdown Asia, Southeast Asian Gazette, and Southeast Asian Journal. So wala po itong pinag-iba sa mga titles natin dito. Only mas maraming international content. Kasi maraming nagsasabit ng press releases from international audience. Although syempre wala pang business doon. Ano lang yan, para tayong vlogger na nag-invite muna ng free till such time na established na siya and we will transform it into business. So ito yun, 10 titles agad. Okay, so that's our second sets of websites. 10 agad, di ba? Okay, Sir Dan, next na tayo!